Hello my wonderful people, welcome to another interesting tutorial. Let's make this with the use of running soul. Start with the measuring. Our measurement is 3 inch by 10. Cut it out into shape. Look at the finished product. Then fold it out. Fold it into two to get the design brown leather on top. Now you have to duplicate it into two. Trace it round, then find the half of 10. Half of 10 is actually 5. Give it a straight line. After that, measure 1 inch from the midpoint. Join it this way. Join it together. Now you have to find the half of 3, which is 1.5 inch. Count 3 line to the front, count 3 line to the back. Then give it a straight line from the front and back line that you counted. You can see the way it was done. So that's what you're going to do. We are actually using our buckle. That's where we are going to fix our buckle in. Now you have to measure 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch. That's the length of the buckle area. Are you with me? Join it together. Then cut it out into shape. Cut it out gently. You know this pattern cutting, so you have to see the process. Every damn process you have to see it. Be careful when cutting, because once you have any error in your pattern, you are going to actually have it in your leather as well. Now fold it out into two. Fold it into two. You can see the way it look. We are not done yet. We are not what? We are not done yet. Let's go. Look at the way it is on the last. Look at the way it look. Measure ½ inch at the down part, 1 inch at the front part. You should have known what we want to do now. What we are about to do now is to slant. Is to what? Is to slant. Maybe one of my video I can decide to give you the full details, the reason why we normally slant. The reason why we normally slant. Maybe I'm going to give you the full reason. So cut it out into shape without wasting much of our time, because this is actually a tutorial video on pattern cutting. You can see. Now I want to cut out the slant to the buckle area. I'm sure you get what I mean by that. So cut it out the way it was done. Just to shape the 1.5 inch that we measure, you have to curve it, or let me say that you shape it. I'm actually just using my pencil to sketch it. You can see, then cut it out into shape. You are done. We're actually done with our pattern. You can take a deep look at it. Now here's the results. See you next week Wednesday on the leather parts. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, comment and share.